Hi everyone, welcome to this drawing video. In today's video I want to show you how I do skin texture. Now there are loads and loads of different techniques out there, but I wanted to show you the technique I use to produce my portraits. So first up I use a Tombow Mono Zero eraser and also an electric eraser, which helps get the finer details and you don't have to push too hard on the page. So as you can see here, it produces really great results without too much effort, and it's actually really fun technique. So first up I'll show you the electric eraser. So I mainly use this around the eyes and the nose to get the finer details without using too much pressure. You can also sharpen the tip of the eraser using sandpaper or a knife just to kind of shape it to any way you want. So next up I'm going to show you how to use the Tombow Mono eraser. So I use this pretty much like a pencil, so I kind of go around the surface of the skin and I'm just scratching, almost like scratching shapes into the skin, just to bring out the texture. So I go across the whole of the skin, so all the highlights, the mid-tones, and even the darks, because the skin is not... It's not a smooth skin, so you see some drawings where people make the skin so silky smooth. It doesn't really exist. So by going over the skin using this technique, it kind of really brings the portrait to life once you've finished it. It takes a long time to do, but it's definitely worth it in the end. And it's nice to have that kind of, I quite like having that rugged texture without putting too much effort into doing the skin. And it really brings, like I said, brings the portrait to life once you've finished. So there you have it, guys. That's a small snippet into how I do the skin texture for my portraits. Like I said, there's many techniques out there that people use. I hope you learned something from the way I do it. And if you did, please do like and subscribe, and I will keep producing videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Cheers. Take care.